filed by the lady who was pregnant. She went to the court that I didn't know about this child. It's my third. Greetings everyone. On behalf of Paathshala family, I, Vaibhavi Batra, welcomes you all on our YouTube channel. Today is the 31st lecture of our online Clat marathon series, and we are dealing with the recent directives given by the Supreme Court of our country regarding a plea, a petition filed by the lady who was pregnant to terminate her pregnancy, but Supreme Court denied the same. So let's have a look. Okay, so Supreme Court rejected plea to terminate 26 weeks pregnancy. So before starting, we should talk about few things which are required or prerequisite to study this topic. Okay, there's nothing, the basic things which you guys should know is that first of all, IPC is Indian Penal Code mein, Section 312 to Section 318 deals with the crimes or the punishments regarding abortions and terminating of pregnancies. Okay. Also, there is a medical termination of pregnancy Act 1971, which regulates and gives directions regarding in what circumstances the pregnancy can be medically terminated and in what circumstances it cannot, and what are the guidelines which have to be followed. Okay. Also remember, it's a personal right to carry a child. The reproductive right which a woman carries or which a woman holds comes under Article 21 of her personal, which talks about her personal liberty. It's her personal right. Nobody can pressurize her to have kids. Okay, it's her reproductive choice. You should also remember that 24 weeks of pregnancy, after 24 weeks of pregnancy, हमारा जो इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन है या फिर जो एक्ट है, the provisions है हमारे कंट्री के, they don't allow to medically terminate the child unless and until there is some grave danger to the mother or the kid. Okay, ठीक है. And also इसमें भी, और अगर किसी को करवाना है, पहले तो ये हो गया, पहले तो ये अलाउड नहीं होता भी है, तो ये कोर्ट के डिस्क्रिशन पर होता है, डिस्क्रिशन ऑफ द कोर्ट पर बेस्ड है कि 24 वीक्स के बाद, दैट इज व्हेन द थर्ड ट्राइमेस्टर स्टार्ट्स, होगा या नहीं होगा. One more thing I would like to tell you is that there is a difference between abortion and miscarriage. Miscarriage, generally natural reasons, it is not medically induced, though abortion is a proper methodology via which the fetus is removed from the mother's womb. So there is a clear distinction between both the terms, that is abortion and miscarriage. Okay, causing of miscarriage and causing abortion. And मैंने ये आपको बताया 312 to 318 IPC, please do have a look on these sections. ये criminalize करते हैं and punishments बताते हैं. ठीक है, so let's start with our topic. केस का नाम देखते हैं, petition through Dr. Amit Mishra, advocate versus Principal Secretary Health and Family Welfare and another 2023 का केस है, अभी बहुत लास्ट मंथ का ही केस है. फैक्ट्स क्या हुए थे, तो बेसिकली एक फीमेल थी, उसका 26th वीक ऑफ प्रेगनेंसी था and she went to the court to abort her kid And what she stated that the woman approached the court earlier this month saying she was unaware of her third pregnancy, and it was her third kid, due to a disorder called lactational amenorrhea, which prevents a patient from menstruating, and suffered from postpartum depression and poor financial condition. She went to the court that I didn't know about this child, it's my third child, and मेरे को ये problem है जिससे I stopped menstruating, so I thought it's just going that. But when she came to know about her pregnancy, she approached court that I cannot afford to bring one another kid in this world, and I don't have good finances to bring the kid up. Okay, so what the court, उसने ये अपना वो रखा, and she told that I have this order, so I should be allowed to terminate. But court ने बोला कि first of all, there is no imminent danger to the mother or the child. The fetus looks in great condition, and if she does have a problem raising the kid, then she should give the kid in adoption, and जो इसका health का खर्चा है वो the state will bear. That's what Supreme Court directed. Supreme Court on Monday denied permission to a woman to terminate over 26-week pregnancy on the ground that she was suffering from a mental condition called postpartum psychosis. The court denied permission to terminate the pregnancy since its duration has crossed the 24-week mark. ये मैंने आपको स्टार्टिंग में बताया, हम 24 उसका 24th week में हो जाता, but she's in her 26th week, जो इंडिया के अकॉर्डिंग is in violation अगर आप तब अबॉर्ट करते हैं. Pregnancy is 26 weeks and 5 days. Allowing termination of pregnancy will be a violation of sections 3 and 5 of the Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act. Section 3 talks about when section 3 क्या बोलता है कि एक registered medical person when he can abort, उसमें उसने conditions दी हुई हैं. And section 5 बोलता है कि section 5 talks about it gives basically two conditions that कि पहला तो violation में नहीं होना चाहिए, and secondly there should if the abortion is being carried out, then there should be a proper imminent danger, and कुछ deny नहीं हो सकता था to stop that abortion. Okay, like that. Okay, so we'll start again. Pregnancy is 26 weeks and 5 days. Allowing termination of pregnancy will be violation of sections 3 and 5 of Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act. मैंने आपको दोनों sections के बारे में बताया. As there is no immediate danger to the mother, and this is not a case of fetal abnormality, says Chief Justice D.Y. Chandrachud. Okay. The bench headed by Chief Justice further added that pregnancy doesn't pose an immediate threat to the woman, as well as the case is not related to fetal abnormality. The same thing. The court relied on a report, AIMS ने report conduct की, AIM is All India Institute of Medical Sciences, that said that there is no abnormality in the child. The parents of the woman can decide whether to give up the child for adoption, the Supreme Court said, adding that the woman will receive further treatment at AIMS, the cost of which would be borne by the state. The Medical Board of AIMS earlier confirmed that petitioner's medical condition, however, noted that there will be no health consequences if the woman continues with the pregnancy. या तो imminent danger होता woman की health को, but ऐसा भी कुछ नहीं था, and everything was absolutely normal. The health reports were fine. It was just that she didn't have a good financial condition and she was suffering from mental psychosis, जिसकी वजह से she doesn't find her fit to bring up the child, but the Supreme Court said that she can give up the child for adoption if she wants to, and uska health hai, the mental condition which she is suffering from, the AIMS will look after it, and the medical expenses for the same would be borne by the state. So I think it's a win-win situation, because the child also has the rights. Thank you. I hope you liked today's video, but go through in brief through the Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act. and because कुछ आपको provisions, आपको basic idea होना चाहिए. You don't need to know about the whole act. और मैंने आपको बताया sections 312 to 318 of Indian Penal Code. Just go through them. A quick read. You will get an idea. Thank you. I hope you liked today's video. Do like us, subscribers. We'll be coming back with more interesting topics. Thank you.